Hello and welcome everybody to Mac on Crypto. Whatever we say is not a financial advice. Do your research and take an action. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel as your support is very important to us. Now let's jump into the Bitcoin chart, and before we start, I just want to say congratulations to whoever took the short trade on the rejection of the daily, which was from around here, and made the profits. TP1 was around 46,000 and our TP2 was around 44,400. And also congratulations for whoever took our long to the upside, the golden pocket area, which actually worked out to the dollar as well. Beautiful short, beautiful long, beautiful day, beautiful profits bag, or actually we can say massive profits bag. Yep, I just wanted to congratulate everyone that did play this game, the plan we had, and which worked out beautifully. Now, what is the MacPain areas? Okay, this area, the top, was the top of the channel that we were monitoring, where Bitcoin was unable to break to the upside and print a higher high. And the MacPain, the lower MacPain, was the average price of the low that we were looking at, not to be broken to the downside, which we took from the 4-hour lows. Okay, and we were looking for it to hold the dump for a reverse to the upside, which also worked out beautifully. This nobody saw in the market, and nobody planned this in the market. Okay, and for more confirmation, let me show you how we also had more confirmation for where Bitcoin is going. Let me do this smaller. Okay, after Bitcoin did hold, after this price did hold Bitcoin and it was unable to break it to the top, we had this parallel channel that we were trading to the downside for scalp trading. Okay, it was like this, and after Bitcoin did break it to the downside, we simply extended this and we tapped it on the higher high of the previous low range. And what do you see, guys? Look at that, beautifully hit the dollar. How nice is that? Beautiful, beautiful game, beautiful trade. And yes, everything worked out to the dollar as we planned. Now, what are we expecting the market to do? Okay, we can look at something to play out like this. All right, if our weekly support resistance line does get broken to the downside, we can look for two targets. So if you did actually short the golden pocket, okay, if you shorted the golden pocket, okay, your take profit one should be around 46,000. Take profit two, if you want to split your profits, should be around 45,470. Okay, and you can keep a little bit, like 25% of your entry for a hit at 45,200. Okay, so if you see Bitcoin reversing from here, tapping this, getting rejection from this area, then big possibility we're going lower. Okay, but first Bitcoin needs to break this mid-range, which is $46,025. Okay, and it needs to close below it. All right, as you see here, it spiked below it, then it closed above it. Okay, that was a confirmation as well. for a reversal for a scalp trade. Okay, so let me show you on a smaller time frame. As you see, it went down, bam, rejected, went back up, lower high, higher low, lower highs. Okay, so if you want to look at it this way, you can look, you can draw something like this. Okay, or you can take it from the top. That would be more appropriate. Okay, so what do you have now? You can simply say we're having a range. If it's broken to the downside, then that's our P1, P2. Okay, and if that's broken to the upside, we have our golden pocket right here. Okay, and if you want to look for a higher range, we have the previous daily, which is around this area. Okay, the 47,430. Okay, on the way up, we have a lot of resistances. Just to keep it clear for you guys, we have a lot of resistance on the way up, and on the way down, we have less resistance, in my opinion. Okay, so that would be the play. Okay, I personally think we're gonna be during the weekend having something like this, a new range that's gonna be formed. Okay, between 45,000, say 500, yeah, 45,500, and the golden pocket, which is 46,800, around 800. Okay, the top of the level would be 47,400, but also you need to keep in mind we have a lot of resistance around this area. Okay, which is a massive resistance around the 47,100. There you go. Okay, so we have a lot of resistances on the way up. That's why you guys keep your eyes on the volume. All right, because we really need the volume to spike up on the way up to make sure this is legit and volume supported. Okay, otherwise it's gonna be more to the downside, in my opinion. Okay, so what are you gonna do now? You can, all right, you can long this area 46,000. Okay, you put your stop loss minus 200, 300 points, depends on your leverage. If you're doing high leverage, I suggest 200 points, 50x up to 300 points. The lower, the more you have margin to play with. Okay, so if that's gonna hold and you're gonna break it to the upside, our next area should be around 47,100. Okay, and then we can see it could go like that, and if that's broken to the upside, that would be very nice for the Bitcoin. Okay, and then we can say, all right, we're gonna head more to the upside. All right, so the most important part is for this to be volume supported, but for now, as you see, the volume is getting lower and lower, so we shall see what's gonna happen. Okay, and I'm gonna be sharing with you guys our plans and our trades and our setups in the upcoming days, so you guys would be updated for trading ideas. Okay, so in my opinion, if you want to go for a short position, golden pocket, take profit area 1, 2, 3 as a small portion. All right, I'm personally I took profits around this area already because I shorted the golden pocket. Okay, and I'm waiting to see if we're gonna hit this golden pocket. Okay, which is around 45,400, 500. So that's for trading. Okay, and again, I just want to say congratulations for whoever took these trades. Beautiful dump and bounce. Beautiful, very, very, very nice for trading. It was beautiful, and it all happened in 24 hours. So now, what are we looking at on the big time frame? All right, let me set up for you guys to make the volume. Now we are on the daily. All right, let's remove everything. Okay. So, what do you see, guys? We are still trading in the parallel channel. Wait, let me show you the third one. Okay. We still have our blue line as the MAC pain area as well. All right, and for Bitcoin to be bullish, we need this line to be broken to the upside. So if we continue our way up now, it should be around 48,700 to 800. Let's see. Yep, around 48,900. Okay, and it should see a rejection to the downside and continue right to the downside. All right, that's if we're gonna go bearish. I still believe this line, the midline of the parallel channel, needs to be hit. Okay, and we should see a reversal from around this area to the upside. That would confirm for me an uptrend. Okay, so next, what's next? Okay, if Bitcoin is going bullish from now, all right, there's something very important that we need to keep our eyes on. It's this 0.382. Okay, we need to keep our eyes on. Okay, because if we look at previous history, we can see this line should not be broken to the downside if we want to be bullish to get this break the 48,890, then continue our way up, where we will flip this parallel channel into a support line. Okay, why? Because if you look at previous history, okay, when we had this big dump, look at that. What do you see? Take it from here. Again, same thing. 0.382. Got tap, hit, reversal, and bam, we continued our way to the upside. So that's what I'm trying to say. All right. If now we're gonna be bullish, I think, and I prefer if Bitcoin doesn't go back down. All right, I really want to see Bitcoin going up, building up, breaking this 48,900, flip this upper side of the parallel channel into a support line, and bam, continue the way up, breaking the 51,200 as well. All right. So for you to be bullish, all right, we cannot break this for now. The 0.386 cannot be broken to the downside. Okay. So bearish side, simple. Tap this, go up. Now create a lower low, tap the 42,000 area, and then continue our way up. Okay, that's the second option to be bullish. Our third option for the bearish side is gonna be just going up here, breaking up to 48,800, then start creating lower lows until we hit this area, which is gonna be around the $37,000 area. Okay, that's the bearish scenario. Okay, we all want to go up, but we need to be always prepared for the upside and the downside. All right, so keep that in mind. For now, I want to see this candle going green, printing a new higher high, which would make me feel comfortable, and breaking this 48,800 would make me feeling more comfortable as well. All right, so let's see what's gonna happen, guys. And that was the quick update for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, as your support is very important to us. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day and enjoy the rest of your evening or day.